Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to change from light mode to dark mode on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Our light mode is right here. Now dark mode is enabled and our menu is now light. We change from dark to light, and we can do the same by simply turning back dark mode again. And our menu is black. Very simple to do. Alternatively, we can go to settings, display, and now we have dark mode here and light mode right here. Let's leave it as light. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.